listen up. I have a really great resource for you, especially if you're dealing with a legal situation right now, and it's free. They're called Legal Kiosks, and they're across the country in 7 states. You can find them at your local library, at a county court. Let me show you a little bit about what they do. All right, so this is the one from Texas. It's really simple to use. You have the capabilities to join a meeting, you can learn about your legal issue, learn about virtual courts and filing forms, and then you can find actual free legal help. When you go to the location, you're gonna find that there's a scanner there. You can work in Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. You have a place to store documents and print. It's amazing. There's so much that you can do here. Right, so go to legalkiosks.com/locations and you can find all the different types of legal kiosks that are across the country, and maybe you'll be able to find one in your location and you can reserve a time to go there.